Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on cleaning and maintaining your Dyson SV14 vacuum cleaner. Proper maintenance is crucial for ensuring your vacuum operates efficiently and lasts longer. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to keep your Dyson SV14 in top condition. First, gather the necessary tools for the job. You will need a soft brush, a pair of scissors, a vacuum cleaner attachment for debris removal, and a microfiber cloth. Having these tools on hand will make the cleaning process easier. Begin by unplugging your vacuum. Safety first. Detach the dust bin from the machine. To do this, press the release button on the top of the dust bin and pull it away from the main unit. Once removed, take it to your trash can and empty the contents. Next, inspect and clean the filter. Your Dyson SV14 comes equipped with a washable filter. To access it, locate the filter compartment at the top of the dust bin. Twist and pull out the filter gently. Rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear. Avoid using any detergents, as they can damage the filter. Remember to let it dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinserting it into the vacuum. While the filter dries, let's move on to the brush bar. The brush bar can accumulate hair and debris over time, affecting the vacuum's performance. Use your scissors to carefully cut away any tangled hair or fibers wrapped around the brush. After removing the debris, use your soft brush to sweep away any remaining dust and particles. This will ensure that the brush bar spins freely and picks up dirt effectively. Now, let's clean the internal components of your Dyson SV14. Using the vacuum cleaner attachment, carefully remove any dust or debris from the inside of the vacuum where the dust bin attaches. Make sure to get into the corners where dirt can accumulate. If you find that the internal components are particularly dirty, a deeper clean may be required. If you don't have the tools or time to do this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. This service allows you to get your vacuum professionally serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel needed. Once you've finished cleaning, reassemble your vacuum. Make sure the filter is completely dry before placing it back into the compartment. Slide the dustbin back into the vacuum until you hear a click. Your Dyson SV14 should now be clean and ready to use. Lastly, it's important to perform regular maintenance checks. Schedule a cleaning session every few months to ensure your vacuum remains in optimal condition. If you ever need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, and we can give you a quote before repair. By following these steps, you'll extend the life of your Dyson SV14 vacuum and maintain its suction power. Enjoy a cleaner home with your well-maintained vacuum. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.